In this video, I'll show you how to post on a Facebook page step by step. Whether you're sharing updates, promoting your business, or engaging with your audience, posting regularly helps keep your Facebook page active and grow your community. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Once you're on your page, tap Create Post or What's on Your Mind to start a new post. Type your message, then add photos, videos, links, or other media to make your post more engaging. You can also tag people, add a location, or include a feeling or activity if those options are available. Before publishing, review your post carefully to make sure the text, images, and formatting are correct. When you're satisfied with your post, tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. Your post will immediately appear on your Facebook page, where followers and visitors can like, comment, and share it. After publishing, you can monitor your post's performance through your page notifications or Meta Business Suite to see engagement and make edits if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.